Hello, welcome. My name is Arndt Schwichtenberg and I'm a communications trainer from Hannover, Germany. Welcome to a short warming up for your presentation. Warming up for your body language, for your good feelings, warming up for your breathings, and warming up for your face, your tongue, your lower jaw, and for your voice. Please make sure that you now have time for yourself so that you can do the exercises with me together. If it's possible and if you like, stand up and stand straight. We first start with our shoulders, to relax and loosen our shoulders. And if you are okay and healthy, do it with your shoulders. Please just do only things that are okay with you so that you can feel well. Move your shoulders in circles. Relax it, feel it, and loosen it. And you are invited to take a deep breath every time you like. And during these exercises, you can breathe with a little sound, with a little sigh, like this. So you can breathe deeper and relax your diaphragm. Okay, your shoulders in circles, and you can shake it, everything you like. And it is allowed to smile. Okay, lift your shoulders up, lift, 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 and let it down. Shake your hands. Shake your hands and your feet. And it is allowed to take a deep breath with a sound. This is good, this is helpful. To breathe deeper. Okay, and now we have something special. A self-massage with clapping yourself with your soft fist. Make a soft fist, not hard, soft. And we start at the Brustbein in German. In English it is sternum. And you can breathe anytime you want. Take a deep breath. During these exercises with the sound, this is okay. Later on, during your presentation, silently, please. But now, it's okay to make sound, to sigh, and have a relaxing self-massage. The shoulder, feel your shoulder. The arm, inside, down, outside, up. Okay. Softly and slowly go down on the side of the ribs and under the last rib. On your stomach. That's the area from your diaphragm, the most important muscle of the lung. Relax it, softly relax it. Okay, we have the other side. Soft fist, self-massage. Starting at the sternum. You can breathe, and it is allowed to smile. Maybe these are new and strange exercises. It's okay, please try it. The shoulder. Massage yourself. Relax. Move yourself. The arm inside, down, outside, up. The ribs, the side, your stomach. Take a deep breath. Okay. Okay. And again, relax your lower jaw and relax your tongue. It looks like a bit stupid. This is okay. It's just for you. Nobody's watching you. Okay. And breathe. And loosen your body. Loosen your jaw. Loosen your breast. Loosen your stomach. Loosen your shoulders. Okay. Now we have a short massage for your jaw. Softly, carefully. The jaw muscle. You can feel it if you move your jaw, your mouth. Enjoy it. This is for you. This is your time to relax, your time to prepare yourself, to care for yourself. Okay. Softly relax it. Okay. Good. And now, again, relax your shoulders. Stand straight, comfortable, straight and relaxed at the same time. Open your eyes and feel. How would it feel when this is your presentation? Okay, open, friendly, professional. Okay. And now, take a deep breath slowly. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth with an F. And take your time. And now with your hands and your arms. Inhale through your nose. Hands go up in a circle. Exhale through your mouth. Hands go down. And slowly, please, take your time. Enjoy it. It's allowed to smile. It's allowed to feel yourself. It's allowed to feel yourself comfortable. Again. Inhale through your nose. Hands up. Exhale with an F. Take your time as long as you can. And now it's another warming up for your Kehlkopf in German, for your voice. With a sound, we make some sound during the exhale. I will explain you, I will show you. We can do it together. Inhale through the nose, as you know, and exhale with an M. Inhale. And exhale with a sound with an S, Z. And take your time, not fast, slowly. And again. And now it's funny. No, the exhale with an Inhale through the nose, hands up. Ah, now with an A. Ah. Take your time. We repeat. Okay. These are exercises for your warming up, for your body, for your voice. Make a sound like we did. Okay, and now we have a warming up, a preparation for the articulation in German, to have a precise pronunciation. Just a syllable. I do it for you and you can repeat. And do it with your hand, so you have body language as well. Ah. And now you. E. E. O. Ooh. Okay. Again, just the syllable. Ba. B. B. Bo. Boo. And now, this one. Pa. And feel the power in your hand. Now you have the power with the P. It's a strong, precise sound. Pa. P. P. Po. Poo. Okay, you're doing well. Thank you. And now at last, you can do in a little self-presentation. For example, in my case, it's hello, I'm Arndt Schwichtenberg, and I'm a trainer for the Leibniz Universität Hannover. You are welcome. And now we have a beautiful warming up for your voice and for your presentation, for example. And now you can do it for yourself with your name, your profession. Okay, take your time. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you that you're with me. If you like, you can write a comment. If you have a question, call me or write an email. I'm forwarding you. Okay, thank you and bye-bye. See you next time.